Hey guys, I'm here to show you the app. So this is the home screen of the app we cook. It's an app for recipes. I created for people on Awesomic. And this is the search bar. You can search for a recipe or a live or a chef. And you can see the training recipes. So you can pick one of the most viewed recipes. And you can see what people are cooking at the moment. You can see people streaming. You can see a professional chef profile, so you can see his recipes. And this is the recipe that we recommended for you based on your style, based in what you like to eat. In the navbar we have a button to search, a button to add a new recipe, notifications, and profile to access the profile. So if you click here in search, you can search for something you want to eat, or you can use the filters. And in the filter search, you can search for a recipe or a chef or a live, and you can pick a categories, or you can pick some ingredients or ingredients that you don't want in your food. So you can pick here also. So you can pick the max time, you can pick the max price of the recipe. So it's gonna be perfect, it's gonna be a perfect recipe for you. Then you click on search, and here we have the search results. So you can clear the result, or you can pick one of the results. And here we have a recipe. It's a sandwich, and we can see who made this, and we can read more about it. We can pick how many people is gonna eat, and that changes the ingredients. So here you can buy the ingredients. So you're gonna order the ingredients to your house. It's easy. You have the directions, so you can make the food, the gallery of people who already made this recipe. So if you start to cooking, we have this screen, so you can see the video to help you to prepare your food. So this part is important because you see if you have every ingredient for the recipe, and if you have, you can click on next. You can keep watching the video, so you can do exactly what they did on this recipe. You can follow the steps, and every steps that you complete you can check. And after you complete all the steps, you can just finish the recipe. So this is what I think for this project. And I made this and the rest in only in 3 days. So I hope you enjoy it. I know that I can show more, but I'm happy with that. So thank you guys for your time.